Hi, I'm Tom Cannon. On July 13th and July 20th of this year, the Museum of Writing Instruments is sponsoring two one-hour poetry sessions, and I'm going to be facilitating them. This is in connection with one of their three calligraphy workshops, and I just find this to be a great combination. So I invite you to go and check out the Museum of Writing Instruments Facebook page, Calligraphy. It's one of those activities that speaks to you. That if it does speak to you, I think you'll enjoy it. People say it puts you in a relaxed and meditative state. So if you'd like some more information about these poetry sessions, I invite you to go look on my social media, Tom Cannon, or just email me some questions at Oshkosh Poet Laureate at OshkoshPublicLibrary.org. I would send you to their registration. So again, calligraphy might end up being your coping skill. It's definitely a creative act. And actually, I see it as enhancing the benefits of writing poetry. Now, absolutely, writing is therapeutic, and instead of having these thoughts and floating around your head, by writing them down, you're organizing your thoughts. You're accessing part of your unconscious brain, and you come up with new ideas that helps you solve any problems you have. There's been many times when I began to write on something in my mind, and that was on my mind, and then I found myself defining it in a whole new way. And when you write something by hand, you are activating more parts of your brain. You use more brain power. So when I was connected to do these poetry sessions, I was struck by how well these two acts go together. Poetry and calligraphy are both very creative acts. So by doubling down and doing both of them, you're doubling down on you being creative. And also, writing by hand is a great way to savor both the act of writing and also the subject matter that you're writing about. Especially if you're creating a poem with calligraphy, you write each letter intentionally with this instrument that you have intentionally selected. I think about the gift of giving a poem. You've written it beautifully, but I'm not knocking this. You should write a poem in a poem or type it up on a computer and give it to them by hand. And I have done that, but I don't really expect them to do much with it. I hope they save it. But a piece of paper is not really anything that you are going to frame on the wall. It just doesn't look that good. But now imagine writing something beautiful in calligraphy. That is something that you could put on a wall, frame it up there, or at least put in a scrapbook. So a poem is a great thing to read in online or on a journal. But then imagine something written with great flourish and great effort and with calligraphy, and then you give it to somebody. They're definitely going to know that it's done with thoughtfulness, and they're definitely going to be able to see the beauty in how it looks. Thank you for spending some time with me.